guys, wagwan, it's your girl Shanice. I just want to say welcome to Jamaican Cuisine. If you're new, thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. As you guys can see in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this quick and delicious pasta salad. So here I have a large red bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes, yellow and red, a large cucumber, 2 stalks of scallion, half of a small red onion, some mixed vegetables, honey mustard, mayo, and or pasta. So let's get right into it. So the very first thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna cook our pasta. So to my boiling water, I added a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna add our pasta. I almost used the whole box. It was just a few left back. So we're gonna cook our pasta al dente. So I'm using penne pasta, so it's gonna take around 12 minutes for it to be cooked. If you're using rotini pasta, it's probably gonna take a shorter time, maybe around 10 minutes or so. So guys, my pasta is all finished cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it in my strainer, and I'm gonna run it under some cool water to stop the cooking process completely. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our mixed vegetables. I'm using around a cup, so we're gonna add this to some boiling water, and I just left it for literally 2 minutes. It's not gonna take a long time because these frozen vegetables were already cooked. We're also gonna drain those and set them to the side. We're gonna go ahead and add our cooked pasta to a bowl, and then we're gonna follow that up by adding our large bell pepper. So I tried to mince the bell pepper as finely as I could. I think it's better that way. We're also gonna add our large cucumbers, and then we're gonna add our cherry tomatoes. I'm using a cup of both the yellow and the red. You can use just red or just yellow if that's what you have. Then we're gonna add our red onions. This is half of a small red onion. Go ahead and add our mixed vegetables, and this is a cup. We're also gonna follow that up by adding 4 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's add a teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix this in really well, guys. Make sure that it's combined really well. So guys, I tasted it and it just seemed like it was missing something, just a little kick. So I decided to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is optional. It really made the taste way better, so trust me, you won't regret it. And I also added a heaping teaspoon of honey mustard. And of course, we're gonna mix that in really well, guys. Make sure that the flavor is incorporated right throughout this amazing salad. And that's it, guys. Our pasta salad is finished. It's looking so pretty, so colorful. It's tasting amazing. This is a meal by itself. Have it as an appetizer, a side dish. I actually served mine with a piece of salmon that I pan-seared, and it was amazing. So you guys try this recipe and let me know if you enjoy it. And of course, you can switch it up, make it your own. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this video. And of course, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to come join the Jamaican family. You guys have been amazing, and this journey has been wonderful. Thank you so much for supporting, guys. Walk good, stay safe. Until next time.